Hi, my name is Mateusz Wyszyński and I'm a lecturer at Lazarski University. And I would like to welcome you in this Programming in Python course. This course assumes that you already have some basic knowledge of Python. You either might have learned it in our previous courses, Introduction to Programming in Python, or from some other resources. If you don't have such knowledge, you can check out our course, which gives such an introduction. This course assumes that you have some knowledge of Python, but just basic knowledge. And this basic knowledge, which you already have, assuming that you know what are functions in Python, what are conditional statements, what are loops, we will use this knowledge, expand on this knowledge, and introduce some new concepts, such as we will talk about advanced features of functions, such as recursion or keyword, default arguments, parameters. We will talk about different data types. We will expand on strings, which you might have heard about just a little bit. We'll mention what are different data types and so on, so on. So after this course, you already will have knowledge which is like you might think about yourself as becoming a programmer. This introduction to Python course or some introductory knowledge you have learned somewhere else might have been just like for you to see what programming is about, what you can like basically accomplish with programming, but you didn't start like creating your own scripts, you didn't write your own programs, you didn't dive more deeply into how computers and programs work. In this course you will do that, so you will expand your knowledge much more, and I hope you will have fun doing so. And in the next video we will discuss briefly the tools with which we will be working with, and then we will dive into the topics which will be covered in this course. So thank you for your attention, thank you for joining this course, and see you in the next videos.